We're going to do some basics today. You're going to need your key plate. I'm going to use key plate 3. You'll use whichever one is called for in your pattern. You're going to need the carriage. And if you want to keep track of the rows, you'll need a row counter. You'll need a transfer latch tool. This is a homemade latch tool I had made. You'll need a transfer tool. You'll need a pair of scissors for the ending of it. And you can use this to open your latches or anything that has a angle at the end of it. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cast on the amount of stitches you're going to use for your pattern. Put your key plate into your carriage. Extend the needles that you want to use. And each section has 15 needles, so it's easy counting. So 15, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2. Okay, it's 1 and 2. Alright, now to cast on, you'll get your yarn, and I rewind all my yarn into cakes. Pull out a length of yarn. Put a slip knot in. Now, I do not use the black hem. If you are still using the black hem, follow the directions in the book and put your hem on. Okay? And get now this cast on is just a crochet cast on. Okay? You're going to stick the needle up between the first two needles. Okay? And you're going to grab the yarn with the hook and pull it down through. Up, grab, down, up, grab, down, up, grab, down, all the way across. And that is the crocheted cast on. And you just up, grab, down for how many stitches you've got extended. Now I use claw weights, and what I do to start the project, I'll put the needles into forward work position, which is about a thumb distance between the nub of the needle and the green bar. And then I'll make sure my latches are open, and then I will slowly knit one row. Okay? And I use a piece of wood. It handles 41 needles. It's about an inch wide by 3/4 of an inch high. Okay, so I'll push my needles back, and it's just about a thumb length. And then I'll use my latch tool to open the lenses up, or I'll use my item. You can use a credit card that you've cut a notch in it, or this, which happens to be a tool for clay. Okay. Now you want to, there we go, knit one row slowly. Okay, and check for any stitches that you missed and rehang them and then restitch it. Stitch it manually. And that is the crocheted cast on. And I'll do the other cast ons in a moment. I'll be back.